Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss about Amla, which is also known as Indian gooseberry. Its Latin name is Amblica officinalis. Let's start with its introduction. Amla is known as rejuvenating herb in Ayurveda. It is an ingredient of famous Ayurvedic medicine, that is Triphala. It is known as Amalki, which means the fruit of immortality. Amla acts as natural detoxifier in Ayurveda. Now we'll discuss about classical synonyms of Amla. Amla is known as Amalki, that means nectar or immortal due to its rejuvenating properties. Shrifal, the fruit of prosperity and blessings. Sheetphala, due to its cold potency. It is known as Dhatri due to its nutritional qualities. Tishyaphala, as its fruit is very auspicious. Now we'll discuss about vernacular names of Amla. In English, it is known as Indian gooseberry. In Sanskrit, Amla is known as Amalki. In Hindi, it is called as Amla, Avla or Amla. In Telugu, Amla is known as Usiri Kaya. In Tamil, it is known as Nilikai. In Gujarati, it is known as Ambla. In Marathi, it is known as Amla. In Bengali, it is known as Amalki. Now, let's talk about varieties of Amla. Amla has two varieties, that is Vanya or Gramya. The Vanya Amla is wild, small, harder, more astringent and contains lots of fibers. The Gramya Amla is cultivated, large, soft, less astringent and juicy in taste. Now we'll discuss about classical categorization of Amla. According to Acharya Charak, it is categorized under Vaisthapan Gan, that contain herbs that helps to delay aging. Virechnopa Gan, the herbs that induce purgation. According to Acharya Sushrut, Amla is categorized under Triphala Gan, which means the fruit of three herbs. Now let's talk about ancient verse of Amla. हरितकी समम धात्री फलम किंतु विशेषतः रक्त पित्त प्रमेह घनम param vrishyam rasayanam. According to above shlok, Amla and Haritki contains same properties, but it is specially useful in bleeding and urinary problems. Amla also contain aphrodisiac and rejuvenating properties. Now let's discuss next ancient verse of Amla. Hanti vatam tad amltam vat pittam madhurya shaityatah kafam rukshayatva phalam dhatrya tridoshchit. Above shlok states that due to sour taste of Amla, it balances vat dosh, and due to sweet taste and cold potency, it balances pitta dosha, and due to astringent taste and dry nature, it balances kapha dosh. So Amla helps to balance all the three dosh, that is vat, pit and kapha. Now we'll discuss about morphology of Amla. Amla has a tree having a height of 20 to 25 feet and girth of 70 centimeter. The leaves of Amla are small, alternate, green, similar to tamarind. If we talk about flowers of Amla, these are small, yellowish green, in bunches, sweet, fragrant. Now we'll discuss about bark of Amla, that is grayish brown with vertical grooves. If we talk about roots of Amla, Roots are shallow, spread widely, fibrous root system. The fruits of amla are 0.5 to 1 inch in diameter, yellowish green, 6 division with 6 prominent lines. Amla blooms in spring and fruits ripen in winter season. Now we'll discuss about habitat of amla. Amla is widely grown in India. In India also it is specifically grown in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Now we'll discuss about scientific classification of amla. The kingdom of amla is plantae. Its division is angiospermy. Class is dicotyledone. Its order is Euphorbiales. Its family is Euphorbiaceae. Its genus is Amblica. Species is Officinalis. Now we'll discuss about pharmacological properties of amla. Its rus or taste is pancharus, all taste except salt. Its prominent taste is sour, that is amla. If we discuss about gun or physical property of amla, it contain rough, heavy and cold property. If we discuss about potency of amla, amla contain cold potency. The vipak or post-digestion effect of amla is sweet. Amla helps to balance all the three dosha. Now let's discuss about chemical constituents of amla. Amla contain ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, tannins, flavonoids, gallic acid, ellagic acids. These are polyphenols, phylantine and hypophylantine, which are alkaloids, citric acid and malic acids, that are organic acids. These chemical constituents of amla contain antioxidant, immunity booster, collagen synthesis, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, wound healing, diuretic, detoxification properties. Now we'll discuss about properties of amla. Amla contain parmesan, that is these are beneficial in all urinary problems. Vrishya, that is it contain aphrodisiac property. Rasayan, due to its rejuvenating properties. Raktpit ghan, as amla is very effective in bleeding disorder. Vaisthapan, amla contain anti-aging properties. Sarvdosh ghan, as amla helps to balance all the three dosh, that is vat, pit and kaph. Kanthya, amla improves voice. Hridaya, that is amla is very good for heart health. Dahar, amla helps to relieve burning sensation. Jwarhar, due to its antipyretic properties. Chakshushya, amla is very effective for eye health. Now, if we discuss about therapeutic properties of amla, amla contain anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, hepatoprotective, rejuvenative, aphrodisiac, antipyretic, diuretic, hair tonic, hemostatic, anti-emetic, hypolipidemic, and immune booster properties. Now let's discuss effect of amla on different systems. On circulatory system, amla is used in blood disorder, hemorrhagic and heart diseases. Effect of amla on digestive system, amla contain 5 tastes except salt, thus helps to manage liver, acid peptic disease, ascites, hematemesis, hemorrhagic dysentery, anorexia, constipation, epistaxis, low appetite, and vomiting due to pitta dosha. On respiratory system, amla helps in pacifying cough dosh and contain rejuvenative properties, thus helps in cough, tuberculosis and asthma. Effect of amla on reproductive system. Amla contain aphrodisiac properties, thus helps to retain pregnancy. It is also indicated in leukorrhea, uterine weakness, and inflammatory condition of female reproductive tract. On urinary system, amla contains diuretic properties, thus manage dysuria and diabetes. On nervous system, amla act as brain tonic, thus improve memory and balance sadhak pitta that controls emotion and stress. Now let's discuss about part use of amla in various diseases. Leaf juice of amla, fruits and seeds are used to manage various disorders. Now let's discuss about doses of amla. The churn or powder of amla is used at a dose of 3 to 6 grams. The swarras or juice of amla is used at a dose of 10 to 20 ml. Now let's discuss about some classical formulation of amla. These are Chyawanprash, Brahmarasayan, Dhatrilo, Triphala, Amritprash, Amalki Rasayan, Chandan Amalki Chatan. Now we'll discuss about some home remedies of amla. In diabetes, fresh amla juice mixed with a pinch of turmeric powder can be taken empty stomach. In epistaxis, put 2 drops of fresh amla juice in each nostril to manage bleeding from nose. Fresh amla juice can be taken twice daily to manage epistaxis. In burning and headache, paste of amla can be locally applied to burning and headaches. Mixture of amla juice with sugar helps to relieving burning in vagina. In hair problems, paste of amla can be applied on scalp to promote luster of hairs. Hair wash with amla is effective in baldness and grayish of hairs. For immunity boosting, daily consumption of fruit of amla can help to enhance immunity of body. In eyes, amla churn along with honey can be taken once or twice daily. Amla kept in water overnight and eyes can be washed with that water. Now we'll discuss about Planet Ayurveda product that contain amla. These are Amalki Rasayan, Green Essential Capsule, Hair Growth Formula, Trim Spot Capsules, Triphala Capsules, Weight Gain Formula, Navkarshik Churn, Amla Sar, Chyawanprash, Varachuran. Thanks. I hope you all like the information about amla. If you have any query regarding home remedies or anything, you can mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thanks.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।